Hi, I'm Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to explain the HTML heading tags. Once again, I repeat the topic HTML heading tags. HTML heading tags are used to provide title and subtitle for a web page. If you wish to provide a title or a subtitle for a web page, we have to use HTML heading tags. There are 6 HTML heading tags starting from H1 to H6. H1 provides the biggest heading and H6 provides the smallest heading. Now I'm going to show you how to use these HTML tags. We are going to use the notepad to type the HTML code. Go to search box and type notepad. Click the notepad in order to open it and type the HTML syntax. Opening HTML tag followed by closing HTML tag, followed by opening head tag and closing head tag. In between head tag, we have title tag, which is used to provide a title for a web page. Finally, we have an opening body tag and followed by the closing body tag. HTML tag is the root of an HTML document. Head tag contains metadata information. Title tag is used to provide a title for a web page. The body tag is a placeholder that contains all the content of an HTML document. Provide a title for this web page. Let us say example for heading tags. We are going to implement H1 opening tag followed by the text to be displayed and a closing H1 tag. We are going to repeat the same process for all the remaining tags. Now we need to save this web page. Go to File and click on Save As. Now you can see the Save As dialog box. Click on the desktop icon and create a new folder and name the folder as you like. Open the folder and provide a file name followed by the extension .html. Click on Save As Type and select all files and save the file. Go to desktop and open the folder. Double click the web page in order to open it. Now we can see the real use of HTML heading tags, where the H1 provides the biggest heading tag and H6 provides the smallest heading tag. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all in the next video.